Distinguished Mr. Chairman, I'm John Anari from West New Guinea or West Papua. West Papua, before on the list of non-self-governing territory, according to the United Nations General Assembly Resolution 448, and that's why United Nations and Netherlands Kingdom preparing independence for us. After independence, in December 1st, 1961, then Indonesia sent military to occupy. The military occupation is violate United Nations Charter because of the mining conspiration. So the mining conspiration, Freeport mining loose in Cuba, so the interest in our mining, so Rockefeller support Indonesian to occupy my territory. That's why today our parents, our elders fighting, then today we continue to fighting. And today we set up the political organization and military organization to fight against colonialism of Indonesia. And our military organization we call West Papua National Liberation Army. And our political organization for diplomacy in the United Nations. And today our West Papua National Liberation Army fighting in the war because we defend our ancestral land because the occupation of Indonesia. So today Indonesians send 1,000 soldiers to West Papua, and then they kill women, children, and make 36,000 people running, leaving their village and going to the jungle forest as refugees. And then Indonesian kidnapped some civilian, and they said that is a member of West Papua National Liberation Army, but that's wrong. So I'm asking the UN Permanent Forum recommend to the UN Trusteeship Council to set up back the resolution 448, the resolution 1752 back into agenda of the Trusteeship Council, because the mining conspiration made our territory removed from the list of non-self-governing territory and put back to the trusteeship territory. So this is the obligation of the United Nations to set up back resolution 1752 back into agenda of the trusteeship council in this year too, in September. So they will discuss. So the colonization must end in my ancestral land. Thank you so much.